Hi everyone! Good evening! Welcome to my YouTube channel! For today's video guys, gagawa ako ng banana cake. So I have 2 banana. So let's do it! So, do first the banana like this. Yeah. And then mix all the ingredients. Oil, sugar, milk, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs. 2 cups all-purpose flour. So, ayun, nandito na yung baking soda, baking powder, salt, and sugar. So, let's mix here. So, let's mix. Yeah, let's mix. At meron akong magic na pang flavor, banana flavor. So, I will put little bit. Yeah, that's estimated what you want to. Ayan, na-mix ko na siya ng mabuti. Sobrang bango. It's look like yummy. So, let's cook! So, ayun guys, bago siya natin lutuin, pupunasan muna natin ang ating lutuan. So, and then let's spray a little bit for the oil para hindi po siya magdikit. Okay. Ayun, ipapahid natin siya ng ganyan para hindi siya didikit sa ating lutuan. Okay. At ibuhos na natin ang ating ingredients. Wow! Yeah, it's like a yummy. Para magiging maarte ang ating banana cake, mag-a-add lang ako ng resin sa top. Yan. Ito lang, para na siya maging nice ang kanyang design. Ayun. So, let's cook na to steam. Ayun guys, kumulo na yung ating water. It's already boiling. So, I will put this. And then, wait to 45 minutes. Ayun guys, nag-boiling siya. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Ayun guys, steam ko siya ng 30 minutes. And then, nilagay ko siya ng 15 minutes sa oven. So, let's see. Tada! Ayun, para mag-dry siya. So, we'll check first kung okay na siya. Okay, that's already cooked. So, ito na yung aking masarap na banana cake. Yay! So, mag-i-slice tayo at titikman natin. I'm so excited! So, ayun, mag-i-slice na ako. Oh my God! So, let's try first. Oh my God! So yummy!